Welcome back, guys, to Jared the Journeyman. Today I'm going to be reviewing the DeWalt thread cutter, the DCS350. It's a 20 volt cordless operation. So before I get into that, if you guys would like to see some more tool reviews, give my channel a like and a subscribe. We got other tool reviews and other tips and tricks of the electrical trade. So if you would, please give me a subscribe and let this channel grow. So let's get into it. So on this thread cutter, DeWalt has put different dies on here for 1/2 inch, 3/8, and 1/4 inch die. And if you flip this over, there's a Allen wrench right here that stays on the tool itself. So if you want to change the dies, all you have to do is loosen up some Allen head screws right here and then rotate the dies. So that's real good if you're changing thread size, if you're hanging trapeze and needing to change from 1/4 to 3/8. Also, this is good for when you're in a location that you can't create chips or sparks. This will keep you from having to use your angle grinder and creating a big mess, and then you have to put on all the proper PPE just to get the cut of the all thread. So here today I've got some 3/8 rod that we'll be cutting. So all we have to do is insert it right in here, push the button, and voila, it's cut. And now all you have to do is take and install your hardware without even having to file it down or deburr the threads or any of that. So this is a real time saver when it comes to cutting all thread. Also, in this situation, or with this machine, you can also cut your all thread that's already hanging up for your trapeze. So that's a real time saver on that. You can go ahead, hang your all thread, and then come in here and cut it to the certain height that your trapeze needs to be. Then you just insert your nut, install that, and you're ready to go. Like I said, no threading, no having to deburr all the threads. This battery that comes on this, we used this for about 2 days straight hanging trapeze, and it's still holding a charge. So this is a real good tool. The only thing that's kind of the downside is it is heavy. This thing is not light. They do give you a hanging hook, but I would not suggest hanging this off of anything. Keep it on the ground or on a solid surface, and it won't fall off the lift or whatever, the ladder that you're working off of. So DeWalt also sells these dies right here as a accessory kit. So when the dies do wear out, which they will, easily replaced. Just one screw on each die, take them out, slip them in, and you're good to go. Also, the dies are able to cut up to 3/8 inch stainless steel rod, so you can cut 1/4 and 3/8 stainless steel rod with this, and you can cut up to 1/2 inch mild steel with this one. So there you go, guys. This is a real time saver. I was kind of skeptical at first of getting it, but don't look back. Just pick it up and go. It's ready and willing to do whatever you're asked of it. So also, there's an LED light right here. Oops, I took the battery out. Right here, that helps you see when you're up in the crawl spaces or up high, cutting that all thread out of your trapeze. So again, guys, give me a like or subscribe to this channel, and as always, be safe out there.